And I got a feeling on my body. And she tryna fuck till the morning. And she drinking nothing but Bacardi. Yeah, yeah, my cup be hella muddy.
Back with another YouTube video, and as you read by the title, then you already know that today's video is a collab. I collabed with a hair company and they sent me some bundles and a frontal. The name I believe is Beaufox. Everything that you need to know about this hair will be in the description box. So we're about to get right into this video. The bag looks like got a little rubber duck on the front. And I had chose to get 613 bundles because I wanted to like dye them orange. But this is a 24 inch. It's labeled 100% human hair, top quality human hair. 18 inch closure. So it looks like. Here go the 22 inch bundle. Like, stop playing with them. And the last bundle is 20 inches. So I got an 18 inch closure, a 20 inch, a 22 inch, and a 24 inch. This is what the 20 inch look like. Get a wig cap. I most likely will not use this. I don't know. Then you get their card with their name and their information on it. On the back, they got different coupon codes. So basically, if you make a video on YouTube, you get $100 cash. However many views you get is how much money you get back. So, yeah. If y'all interested, go shop. It does feel like human hair. It don't really feel synthetic. Of it, but it definitely can flatten and curl. You could tell that it's human hair, and it probably most likely could take color. So yeah, this is what the 24 inch looks like. So I don't know if I want to do a quick weave with this or if I want to make it into a wig. I honestly don't know, but I might make it into a wig, but we gonna see. So let's get right into this video.
Jordan, you're so cute.
So this is the final look. I kind of like burnt the hair a little bit, but I think I could wash that out or like go get some go get like some blonde or white spray and spray it in from the hair store. But this is the final look. This is how the hair turned out. I did not use all 3 bundles. I only used the frontal, the 22 and the 24 and this much of the 20 inch. This like my second time making a wig, y'all, so it's not really flat like how my regular wigs be that's already be made. It's definitely cute. This is my first time wearing blonde or having blonde hair. If y'all like this, go shop. The bundles definitely are moving, they long. If y'all like, go shop. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box, from the website to everything. You can use my discount code below to get some money off, period. I'm really feeling this blonde. Like, I ain't never did this before. And I mean, I did it before, but it was like a little synthetic wig, and it wasn't even a wig, it was glued in. But yes, y'all, I'm feeling it. Go shop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I will see y'all in my next video. And if y'all like this hair, as I said before, go shop.
And I got a feeling on my body, and she tryna fuck till the morning, and she drinking nothing but Bacardi. Yeah, yeah, my cup be hella muddy.